Greetings everyone and welcome to the Total No Bullcrap Fitness course. In here you will learn the truth about nutrition and how to train for both strength and muscle gain. Before you begin, there are a few things that I highly recommend you buy, breed, and use to aid you in your goals. First things first, a kitchen scale. This will be your best friend. It'll help you accurately track your macros, which you will be learning about in the nutrition chapter. This model, Weightmasters Pro Chef, is $10 at Amazon.com. The second is a gram scale. I give you guys a pre-workout formulation that is superior to 99% of all products on the market today. This will help you get the accurate dosages. I suggest a scale that weighs in 0.01 grams to be precise. You can find this particular model for $12.38 at Amazon.com. The third is a gym membership, or a complete home gym as long as you have a barbell, squat rack, and bench. Fourthly, Becoming a Supple Leopard by Kelly Starrett. This book is an absolute must. It will change your life. It teaches proper human movement patterns, a different outlook on stretching, and has a huge selection on exercise form. I wish I could teach it to you guys, but Kelly Starrett is definitely beyond me in knowledge when it comes to human movement. Highly encourage and recommend everyone to buy this book. I'm not affiliated with him. I simply endorse this product because it is a great read. Next, we want a calorie tracker. You can use MyFitnessPal, FitDay. These are free to use. I use Calorie King. It is priced, I think, about $45, but MyFitnessPal would be absolutely fine. We use these programs to track our macronutrients to ensure we're getting enough calories to support our goals. Using programs like this allows us to eat the foods we enjoy, things like pizzas, cake, ice cream, Twinkies. And lastly, a pen and paper to log your training sessions and track your progress. Now, I didn't include a body scale. I assume everyone has one in their household. It also doesn't hurt to have some chalk or gloves to prevent callus development if you give it care. A good pair of shoes wouldn't be a bad idea as well. I just use Chucks. And for headphones, definitely check out the Kinovo 220s. Kinovo. They're a wireless Bluetooth headset, so you don't have to worry about your earbuds slipping out during your activities. And that's all you need to get started, guys. Now let's start with the course.